Well, welcome back to my channel, YouTube. Today I finally got my better built tool box for my truck. It's going to be mounted onto my 97 Ford. I just now got this delivered to me today. I'm excited. I already took it out of the box and the freaking FedEx truck just knocked on my door once, threw the box, and booked it and left. I didn't even know. I walked out, and I usually don't walk out my front door. I just stick my head out, and I didn't notice the box was on the side, and seen him drive away as what the f, and I turned around. I noticed it was right there, and then said, "Fuck it." I just dragged the box in. It was light. It was probably like 40 pounds, maybe less. It was not that heavy, and I unboxed it already. It's gonna be the full size, low profile, slim line series, and it's actually made in Mexico. And right there's the measurement: 69 inches by 12. Right there. The depth is about 12.5 inches. I'll show you the sticker pictures real quick. Well, it's the low profile, and take a look inside of it. I don't know if you can capture all that. It looks like it's been in their warehouse for a while. Right there's the keys. It came with 2 keys, and that's where the J hooks go. I have to go to our local hardware store to purchase the J hooks. And there's the manual book. There's the sticker for, so it won't rub against your bed of the truck. That goes underneath right here. Oh, it comes with the sticker also. There goes the J hooks right there. And also, I just now noticed it comes with weather stripping. Keep your tools nice and dry. And on time, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to replace that later on in the future. And you got some down here too. And I noticed the top lid is really heavy duty. It's really heavy. The bottom part, it's not that heavy. It's pretty much thin at the bottom. The top lid is nicely made. It's really thick and heavy. And this little part right here, only reason why they put this in here is in case somebody sits on top, or you put something heavy on top, or you stand on top of the toolbox. But that I will never ever do. But just in case someone does, it's not gonna cave the lid in. And comes with, of course, it comes with the gas power shocks. Right here. It only comes with one on your right side. I don't know if you can capture that. Focus. It's some nice well, decent well. Maybe they just made it real quick for me and shipped it to me. and some scratches here and there, but no biggie. You know, you can see all the scratches here and there, but I'm not complaining. It was only $200. Oh crap, something I noticed just now. Oh, okay, I see, okay. Well, so, okay. Take a look at it. This back end is pretty much straight. Focus. You see where it's bowing out? It's freaking it bows out pretty much. It's right about right in the middle. It bows out. No big deal. I mean, I can work with that. I mean, I'm not gonna put a lot of tools in here. I'm not gonna pack it in pretty much. I'm just gonna use it for my fishing pole, my tackle box, I mean my bottle jack, maybe some inexpensive tools that I purchased from Harbor Freight. Nothing over $100 going in here, because I've seen some YouTube channels where people just use a pry bar and just break into these things like nothing. I mean, that's the rule. But other than that, I mean, I don't live in a huge city or anything like that. I just live in a small town. No big deal. I know mostly everyone around here. And well, thank you very much for coming to my YouTube channel. And I mean, I didn't really go in depth in this, because there's plenty of channels out there that will take you to those what you need, but this was more like an unboxing and showing you guys my box. Thank you very much. Good day.